there's nothing on the line. We think of the time when we didn't realize what we had or how it might be stolen from our minds. In the middle of the night, oh man, oh man, oh my, how hard we all try to make it out alive. Pretend we are just fine, boiling like a frog, caught under a log. The wolves are all gone, they've all turned into dogs. Domesticated and wasted to a life full of wrongs that we'll sing about in song. Never moving on, never moving on. I drift without a home, numb my thoughts to feel alone, trading peace for chemicals and scrolling through a phone till it stops us in our tracks. Barrel cold against our back, a shadow crawling down the shack. Another soul fades into black. If it's all about control, I don't have any at all. I'll say it soft just one more time before I cross that crooked line. Oh my, still we all try to make it out alive. Pretend we are just fine, boiled like a frog, in silence we rock. The wolves are all gone, they've all turned into dogs.